Have you ever wondered if your liver is silently struggling while you feel completely normal? What if the real breakthrough for fatty liver recovery is not a new medicine but a simple shift in how you eat, rest, and move? Your liver has the rare ability to rebuild itself faster than you imagine when its burden is lifted. Imagine an organ working day and night to protect you without asking for attention until it is overwhelmed. The change you seek may begin not with treatment, but with removing the constant pressure your body faces every day. This content is for educational purposes only and is not a substitute for professional medical advice, diagnosis, or treatment. Always consult a qualified healthcare provider before making changes to your diet, lifestyle, or health routine, especially if you have a medical condition or take medication. Fatty liver is not primarily a problem of fat, but of metabolic traffic congestion. When glucose and refined carbohydrates flood the bloodstream repeatedly, the liver is forced to convert excess into stored fat. This is not failure. It is a protective adaptation. The breakthrough begins when this traffic slows. Within hours of reducing sugar spikes and processed intake, the liver no longer needs to store emergency fuel, and the process of internal cleanup quietly begins. The liver's recovery is strongly tied to insulin behavior. When meals are structured with fiber, protein, and natural fats, digestion slows, insulin rises gently rather than sharply, and the liver shifts from storage mode to repair mode. This change does not require extreme restriction. It requires rhythm. The body responds to consistency faster than we realize. Rest, both digestive and neurological, is part of the recovery. When eating windows are shortened and late-night meals are avoided, the liver gains uninterrupted time to perform maintenance rather than constant processing. Sleep deepens this repair. During rest, the body reallocates energy from digestion to regeneration, allowing hepatic cells to restore their function with surprising speed. Movement, even gentle walking, signals muscles to use circulating glucose and fats for energy. This reduces the metabolic burden placed on the liver. Blood chemistry begins to shift within days, not because the liver is forced to work harder, but because the rest of the body begins to share the load. What appears to be a rapid recovery in 3 days is not magic. It is the visible result of removing pressure from an organ designed to heal when given the opportunity. The liver does not need complex interventions. It needs relief from constant excess, alignment with natural biological rhythms, and simple, consistent support.